Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, and I hope that you watch all the way to the end. So today's video is going to be about my nighttime skincare routine. If you do recall, I did a previous video where I was talking about my morning skincare routine, and to complement that, I will be showing you today my nighttime skincare routine. The morning and the nighttime skincare routines is actually what helped me clear up my skin. Is how I was actually able to go from this, skin here is not giving, it's a mess, to this, where the skin is clear. You still get the occasional breakout here and there, but generally, overall, just healthy skin, right? I'll show you the products that I use. I'll demonstrate how I use them. Also, a few tips here and there on how I apply the products, in which order I apply the products, because that also plays a big role. So if that's something that interests you, please stick by and let's get into it. I've linked the video for the morning skincare routine up here, so you're most welcome to also go check out my morning skincare routine there. The one important thing to note is that when you are doing your nighttime routine, is to know that your skin at night or in the evenings when you come back from being out there in the world, your skin is very dirty. Yeah, either you have had makeup on, so your skin already has a lot of product built up from, because we like to use makeup that almost looks skin-like. So the products that we use nowadays are also products that kind of soak into the skin. We like to use waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliners, all these things. So all those things are sitting on your skin. You have also used sunscreen throughout the day. So already your skin, in addition to the makeup, also has a barrier on top, right? And also out there's a lot of pollution, there's a lot of dust, there's a lot of bacteria in the air. You have also perhaps touched your skin so many times during the day, even if you have not had makeup on, but still the things that sit on your skin from just being out is also sitting on your skin. And so because of that, it's important to double cleanse your skin or to double cleanse your face. So double cleansing is where you clean your skin twice. Yeah. So first of all, you start with an oil-based cleanser or an oil-based balm. I'm sure you can find many of these products in shops like Clicks, Discam. But what I like to use is the Pond's Cleansing Balm. This is how it looks like. The good thing with this product is that it's also a good makeup remover. So if you have had makeup on, it's actually very good because it also removes like the waterproof makeup, the waterproof mascara and all that. This is how it looks like inside. I think mine is almost running out. I need to replenish. Literally just scoop it out like that, right? And then apply it to your face. I don't have any makeup right now, but for the sake of this video, I'll just demonstrate how you apply it. So you can use as much as you feel necessary to remove any products or dirt from your skin, right? So I'm just going to apply it to my skin. So if you have had makeup on, you would really feel the makeup lifting from your skin. And it's very oily, which is good because it allows the product to go into the small creases of your face. You can put it on your eyes as well to remove any mascara, eyeliners that you had. Remove sunscreen. Don't forget your neck as well, because usually We also put makeup on our necks. Usually I would add a bit of water to my hands. This emulsifies the product and kind of also helps assist with the cleansing. So I'm going to wash it off now and I'll show you the next step. And another tip, because this is an oil-based product, you have to wash your face with lukewarm water. Do not use, as I said in my previous video, do not use hot water. Hot water dries out your skin. Do not use hot water. Do not use cold water, because this product, particularly this one, is very oily. It's oil-based, right? So if you use cold water, it's not going to help to remove the product from your face. That's why you will need to use lukewarm water. I'm now going to proceed immediately with the cleanser. You can use, as I said, you can use any cleanser that you have. For this particular video, I'm going to be using the CeraVe Cream to Foam cleanser. I don't know, I find this product, it just agrees with my face. Yeah, I mean, I just love it. That's literally all that you need. You don't need a lot. Like that. So now you can dry your face. You can either let it air dry, which is best, I believe. You can use a face cloth, but I don't know, I haven't been liking face cloths on my face of late. I think face cloths also have a lot of bacteria and stuff. So I do have a face cloth that is just for my face. Someone also recommended using paper towels, or there's also apparently disposable towels that one can use. But if you do use a face towel, do not rub like that. Rather pat dry in that way. Or you can just let it air dry, which I think is best, because you know at least your skin is clean, you have just double cleansed, and you have not reintroduced any dirt or bacteria using the face cloth, for example. So before I go to the next step, let me maybe explain the order of applying the products. I recommend that you apply the products start with the more water-like ones, you move to the ones that are a bit more thicker than the water, and then you move on to the thicker ones like your moisturizers and the like. So that's how you apply the products, in the order you apply the products. So after double cleansing my face, I go in with the glycolic acid. This is the glycolic acid. It's from the Ordinary brand. This product has been amazing. I think it's really one of the products that made a big difference in my skincare routine. It is just amazing. They recommend that you only use this at night because it's also very strong. It really helps to clear up those dark spots, those hyperpigmentation, the uneven skin tone. This is also almost like an exfoliant because it contains glycolic acid, 7%. So it's not really like a toner. It's more also of an exfoliant, right? So it's not just a soothing toner, for like some toners are just soothing. So how I apply this product, you would need a cotton pad. So you put a few drops of the product on the cotton pad, and then you just apply it on your face like that. I also have the lactic acid. Lactic acid is very good. It's very good for dealing with uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, also dealing with fine lines and wrinkles. So it's also very good, and it really also made a big difference in my skincare journey. But you can't use these two together in the same routine because you would almost be like double exfoliating. So it's, if you have very sensitive skin, it's not going to agree very well with your skin. It's going to do more harm than good. So if you are using the glycolic acid, then do not use the lactic acid. So what I usually do is I will alternate. So if I use this one, let's say today, then I will not use the lactic acid. So if I was using this, I would double cleanse my face, then apply the lactic acid, and then I would move on to the next step. I've now just used the glycolic acid, right? So, and it is absorbed into the skin. So I'll move on to the next step. It's important that when you want to use a toner and you have used an acid like the glycolic acid, rather opt for toners that don't have acids in them, like doesn't have any BHA or AHA acids like the salicylic acids, the glycolic acids, for example. So it must be more of a soothing, almost hydrating toner. So I have this Essence Pyeongkan Essence Toner. So what you do with this one is similar to the glycolic acid. You put it on a cotton pad and then you just apply it to the skin. It's very soothing and doesn't have no fragrance. You let it absorb into the skin for a few minutes and then we move on to the next step. Once the product has soaked into the skin, we can move on to the next step, which is your moisturizer. You can really use any moisturizer that you have. Just make sure that it's really a moisturizer that is moisturizing and it's targeting the problems that you have with your skin, right? This particular moisturizer has been amazing, guys. I cannot say this enough. It has been amazing. So this is my moisturizer. Just put, like, you don't need a lot. That's enough. And then you just apply it to your skin. So my next step is the facial oil, or the oil that I put on my face. I have the rosehip oil. I had the ordinary one, but unfortunately I ran out, so the only one I could find was from the Windrose brand. So it's just the rosehip oil, which I then apply a few drops to my face. I also need to mention that in addition to the nighttime skincare routine, the morning skincare routine, I also have like a weekly routine that I do usually on Sundays, where I put a mask on my face for deeper exfoliating, right? One of the products is this salicylic acid 2% mask, which is from the Ordinary brand as well. I also found this one to be very good in clearing up my skin. I will cleanse my face first, let it dry completely, because you can't use this on damp skin, like your skin needs to be dry. So I'll first cleanse my face, then let it dry completely, then put on this mask, leave it on for about 10 minutes. You don't leave it on for more than 10 minutes, and then wash it off. And then I would continue with this essence toner and then continue with the rest of the routine. The other product is the HAA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. I do not use the two products in the same routine. I'll alternate between the two. So if this week I used the mask, then I will not use the peeling solution. I would use the peeling solution on another Sunday, for example. But this is also the same as the mask. You apply it on dry skin and you do not leave it on your skin for more than 10 minutes. So that's it really in terms of the nighttime routine. Obviously, it's not just the nighttime, it's a combination of the morning routine as well, which was in another video, plus the weekly Sunday exfoliating mask routine, and all of that together really helped me clear my skin through the years. And also to say, I'm no doctor, I'm no dermatologist, so this is not medical advice. It's just me sharing tips and tricks and products that I used that have helped me through my journey. The products may work for you, they may also not work for you, but I think it's just a way of trying to find products that work for you and trying to have a routine as well. Also try to be as consistent as possible. The results will not come overnight. I know there were days where I came home, I'm so lazy, I'm not in the mood to do any of these things. There will be those days, but try to be as consistent as possible and you will see results over time. And I think through that process, then you will also see which products work better for your skin and which products do not work so well for your skin. If you have any questions or something that I did not cover in detail, please put it in the comment section below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, do not forget to share the video as well. And most importantly, please subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so and become part of the community. But otherwise, this is the end for today and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.